The next fast food chain we're going to is an ice cream that I've never had in my entire life. It was nowhere near me growing up, but we were able to get our hands on it. Dairy Queen.
A Midwest classic. We did not have this out here in Cali.
This crazy looking ice cream thing, and I was like, I want some, you know?
I mean, just the name is alone, Blizzard.
Blizzard, you're like, ooh, something nice and cold. Like this hits during the summer, you know? I got 3 different flavors, Brian. I got Fruity Pebbles, I got s'mores, and I got this fruity apple cheesecake. First time having Dairy Queen for the both of us. Cheers. That's great.
It's a little heavy on the Fruity Pebbles though.
As a Fruity Pebble lover, this is amazing. All right, let's do the s'mores now.
Oh, this is insane.
This is the best fast food ice cream so far.
Which is better than the cheesecake Haagen-Dazs that we had earlier.
It's a tough one, but I gotta say, yeah. All right, let's try the cheesecake one.
This thing's asking to be tried.
Tastes like an apple pie ice cream almost, you know?
Yeah.
With that, it's like the cheesecake bites are like perfect.
It's so good, but honestly, I do not care about any other flavor. This is insane, dude.
The s'mores is unbelievable.